morning. Right, just silence. We are going on a whale watching tour today, and our first point of call is to get picked up at the Hyatt Regency. And there she is, the Star of Honolulu, Catherine Kenning. There's also a boat with the same name. Now, Catherine, tell us the secret. What do you think this cruise is going to be?
How much did this cost?
$104
Per person?
Together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I thought that was like per person.
We're out of here. See you later, Honolulu. Here we are, on the top of the boat, Star of Honolulu. I rushed up the stairs, so I'm kind of tired.
Thank you for joining us on the Star of Honolulu's early
Alright, as our captain said, 1 o'clock, we got some really exciting treats, so have a look.
of their body weight each day during the season.
And we got a pink slap from the mother. And this is really exciting, guys. So you can see how, there you go, there you can see that pectoral fin, and that is actually the size of her calf. The gestation period for a humpback whale is about 12 months.
Yeah, I was actually surprised by how fast we saw a whale. Like, I thought it was going to be like an hour to find it, and it was like 10 minutes. Pretty much as soon as we popped out, boom, whale. Now it's time for a little bit of food. We're going to check out Cheeseburger in Paradise. Weirdly, we went to a place called Cheeseburger Waikiki. Neither of us got a cheeseburger, but to get the teriyaki wings, and Catherine got this beautiful BLT. BLTA. Oh yeah, there's the A. Alright, let's get stuck in.
Everyone's in a bad mood.
You what?
Everyone's in a bad mood. The couple was fighting too.
Was there more?
Just calm down.
There were quite a few people fighting in Cheeseburgers in Waikiki. Seems like the perfect fight place. We didn't fight. Just hanging out at the Hilton Hawaiian Village. And one thing that is really interesting is this dude here. I don't know if you can see him, but he is searching for gold in the sea. So he's got his gold, those little gold finding radar things are, you know, like he sweeps like a detector, metal detector, and he's got headphones on, he's got a little tray, and he's looking for wedding rings, and he's looking for like engagement bands, and when he finds them, he's gonna melt them down, turn them into a gold brick. You do you, man, you do you.